Today we are going to discuss about rotational dynamics. In that, there is a problem. A hoop of mass 500 gram and radius 10 centimeter is placed on a nail. Find the moment of inertia of the hoop when it is rotated about the nail. So let us consider. Here is the hoop, like ring, of course. It is placed on a nail. It is placed on a nail, as shown in the figure. So it is rotated. Of course, now that is the axis of rotation will be looks like this now. And the distance, see here, I is equal to, as it is the radius r, here it will be I equal to mr square. And what is the distance from here to here? That is r. From here to here, r. So according to the parallax theorem, I is equal to, that is the moment of inertia passed to the center of mass, IC plus mr square. I equal to IC plus mr square. Then moment of inertia I is equal to mr square plus mr square. I equal to 2 mr square is the expression. So moment of inertia when the hoop is rotated about the nail, it will be considered as a I is equal to 2m r square. Of course, we are finding radius of gyration also. So what is the radius of gyration for this one? So I is equal to mk square. Then mk square is equal to 2m r square. Here m gets cancelled. K square is equal to 2r square. K is equal to root 2r. K is equal to root 2r is the expression. Okay. So now here we have another problem. Two small spheres of masses 10 kg and 30 kg are joined by a rod of length 0.5 meter. See here, this is 10 kg, this is 30 kg. M1, M2, both are separated by a distance of 0.5 meter of negligible mass. Of course, the metallic rod mass is negligible. Okay, then the moment of inertia of the system about a normal axis through center of mass of the system is. So let us consider here is the center of mass. Why? Because of mass is part is 0 now. So center of mass will be located here. So and let us consider that is the axis of rotation. And then I is equal to m r square we have to take. I is equal to m r square. So now here we have I is equal to m r square. Of course, m can be written as say m is equal to m1 m2 by m1 plus m2. Since that can be written as say 1 by m is equal to 1 by m1 plus 1 by m2. 1 by m1 plus 1 by m2. So that 1 by m is equal to m1 plus m2 by m1 m2. So m is equal to m1 m2 by m1 plus m2. So I can be written as say m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 into r square. Now I is equal to 10 into 30 by 10 plus 30 into distance 0.5. R is equal to 0.5. The capital R is equal to 0.5 meter. So R is equal to half meter. Then that is half square. So I is equal to 300 by 40 into 1 by 4. 0 gets cancelled. 30 by 16. So 15 by 8 kg meter square. So 15 by 8 kg meter square is the expression for that. Is the moment of inertia of the system about normal axis through its center of mass. Four particles, each of mass 1 kg, at the four corners of a square of side 1 meter. The moment of inertia of the system about normal axis through center of the square is. So let us consider here four masses, the four corners. So this is the center, of course. So let us consider it will be like this now, perpendicular to the plane of course. So now here we have m1, m2, m3, m4. Each are 1 kg. So m1 equal to m2 equal to m3 equal to m4 equal to 1 kg. And side 1 meter, that is L1 is equal to L2 equal to L3 equal to L4 equal to 1 meter. Okay, all around meter of course. So moment of inertia of the system about normal axis through center of square is. So we have to find this is the distance here. Okay, so this is half, this is half. So that it will be r is equal to 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 square. R equal to root of 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, root of 2 by 4. R is equal to 1 by root 2. R equal to 1 by root 2. Moment of inertia I is equal to m1 r1 square plus m2 r2 square plus m3 r3 square plus m4 r4 square. That is all are identical, 4 mr square. I is equal to 4 into mass of the each one, that is 1. R is 1 by root 2 whole square, that is equal to 4 into 1 by 2, that is 2 kg meter square. 2 kg meter square is the answer. Okay. Find the ratio of the moment of inertia of two solid spheres of same mass but density in the ratio 1:8. So here mass is same. Mass is same means let us consider m1 cylinder is equal to mass of the m2 cylinder. So that is 4 by 3 pi r1 cube into density rho is equal to 4 by 3 pi r2 cube into density rho. So of course here we have densities rho 1, rho 2 clear. 4 by 3 pi gets cancelled. Then r1 cube by r2 cube is equal to rho 2 by rho 1. Here we have the densities ratio 1:8. So that can return as 8 by 1. So 2 by 1 whole cube. Now r1 by r2 is equal to r1 by r2 is equal to simply 2 by 1. Simply 2 by 1. So moment of inertia, ratio of the moment of inertia. Ratio of moment of inertia I is equal to 2 by 5 mr square. 2 by 5 mr square. Then I1 by I2, I is proportional to r square. I is proportional to r square. Now I1 by I2 is equal to r1 by r2 whole square, that is 2 by 1 whole square, simply 4:1. That is simply 4:1 is the expression. Okay, now three particles each of mass 100 gram are placed at the vertices of equal triangle of side of length 10 centimeter. Side of length 10 centimeter. Equal triangle, this is centroid of course. Then find the moment of inertia about an axis passing through the centroid of circle and perpendicular to its plane. Of course, let us consider perpendicular to its plane like this. So now that is axis of rotation. Of course, have to find the distance. See, like this. As it is a, then r is equal to a by root 3. R is equal to a by root 3. Moment of inertia I is equal to 3 mr square. I equal to 3 mr square. Why? Because of three identical particles here are placed there. And now that is the moment of inertia I is equal to mr square. And what about the mass? Mass m is equal to given 100 grams. Mass m is equal to 100 grams. That is 100 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. The vertices of equal triangle 10 centimeters. So that A is equal to 10 centimeters. That is equal to 10 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Now I is equal to 3 into mass is 100 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into a by root 3 whole square, of course, a by root 3 whole square, that is equal to 3 into 100 into 10 power minus 3 into a square by 3. 3 into 100 into 10 power minus 3 into a square is nothing but 10 power minus 1, that is equal to 10 power minus 1 whole square by 3. 3 gets cancelled and that is equal to 100 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 2, that is the 10 power minus 5, the 10 power minus 3 will be the 10 power minus 3 kg meter square will be the answer. 10 power minus 3 kg meter square will be the answer. A bar magnet of length 5 cm breadth 1 point rotated about an axis passing through its center parchment its plane. Find its moment of inertia. So let us consider the bar magnet, north pole and south pole. So like this it is getting rotated, of course. So then it will be the axis rotation. Now for rectangular bar magnet, say I is equal to m by 12 into L square plus B square, of course. M by 12 into L square plus B square is the expression for moment of inertia for rectangular block. For rectangular block, of course. I is equal to M by 12, moment of inertia. Mass is given as 200 grams. That is 200 grams, 200 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg, 12 into length 5 centimeters given. That is 5 into 10 power minus 2 plus breadth square 10 power minus square and breadth 1.2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 square. So that is equal to 0.2 by 12 into 25 into 10 to the power of minus 4 plus 144, that is 1.44. 12 into 10 power minus 2, of course 144 into 10 power minus 6. 144 into 10 power minus 6, that is nothing but 1.44, no problem. 1.44, that equal to 0.2 by 12 into 25 into 10 power minus 4 plus 1.44 into 10 to the power of minus 4, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 1 by 12 into 26.44 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So finally it is about 12 to 1 so 2 6s, 6 4s 24, 6 4s 24, 1. So that is 4.41 into 10 to the power of minus 5. 4.41 into 10 to the power of minus 5 kg meter square. 4.41 into 10 to the power of minus 5 kg meter square is the expression. Is the answer, okay?